I just put a whole foam roll in here.
It's doing really, really good. Shake it around like this.
That's so big, oh my gosh. I have a lot of BEIS things, and I gotta say that this is one of my favorite items. I'm gonna be telling you if this backpack is worth the hype or not. Let's start with the outside of the backpack. This is what it looks like. At first when it arrived in the mail, I thought it was really big, but once you start scrunching things down with their little sport straps, it looks a lot better. The material is this nice slippery material that you can easily wipe off. The straps are nice and padded, and what I really like about this backpack is at the top in the back where the straps connect, it's nice and reinforced with this nice thick material. You can see that the stitching is really well done. Some backpacks don't have this reinforcement right here, so you'll see that this part tends to rip off a lot earlier. For me, whenever I'm looking at backpacks, I'm looking at the weakest parts, and it's right here and right here. As far as the strap goes, these are really comfortable, and I'll be wearing this a little bit later, so I'll show you. On the regular travel backpack, the clasp looks a little bit different, but on a sports backpack, if you're potentially running around, you're gonna want it to be kind of grippy. So I do appreciate this nice cotton twill material. You can just adjust it like this. Down at the bottom of the backpack here where the strap connects to, I do love it that it's triangular right here, or else it's really awkward when you're wearing it. You can see that the stitching is really, really nice. One thing I love about BEIS is most of their bags have some kind of trolley pull through, so if you're gonna be taking this as your personal item and you have a carry-on, all you do is you just open up this little magnetic clasp right here. You see how it clasps really nicely? That's a really nice touch. And then at the bottom, there's gonna be a zipper. The zipper is very cohesive with the rest of the bag. If you don't wanna use this part as a trolley pull-through, just zip it shut and you can use this as another pocket. The zipper at the bottom stays nice and hidden, and then it's gonna tuck in there really nicely, so then if you're walking around, the zipper's not gonna just catch on something and then unzip. So it actually stays tucked in quite nicely. As far as this handle goes, this handle is really, really good quality. You can shake it around like this, and it is totally fine, and I don't feel like it's gonna break. Moving on to the front part of this backpack, I love that this whole look is very cohesive. So the straps here, the straps here, and the straps here are all the same material. It's very nice. Another thing I love about this backpack is this little part right here, they sewed it in just to tuck it a little bit. So when your bag is closed and this bottom part is a lot bigger, the cap is just gonna hug this front part really nicely, and this part here is not gonna be flapping out on the side. The clasp on the front is really nice quality, just like a standard clasp, but it's not too hard to clip or unclip. Super simple. And then if you want, and your bag is a lot bigger, you can actually make this a lot longer. And the reason why you would want to make it longer is because there is a zipper on the side right here. There's also a zipper on the side right here. And this is so you could put a yoga mat or maybe like a foam roll, a jacket or something. I've actually never owned a backpack that you can do something like this. This is really cool. And I'll be showing you in a little bit how it looks. This was really fun to play with. So it makes a lot more sense why this front strap is so long. I like this backpack a lot because this front part has another zipper. Also, I love these zippers because it's so comfortable. Their entire sport line has these kind of zippers, so you just pull it like that. Really good. Also, for the zipper quality, I'm all about zipper quality. Awesome. Another thing I really enjoy about all the BEIS items, and I have a lot of BEIS items, is some items just fit perfectly in the pockets. I have one of the bags from the mesh trio. This is the big size, and all I do is just slip it right in there and it is perfect. Zip. This is a BEIS bag video, so is it a BEIS bag video if it doesn't have this key leash? I don't think so. Here's the key leash. I love having these because you can put really anything on these. I usually stick my external hard drives on them, but you can put your keys on it because it's a keychain. It's wonderful. By the way, the lining inside the pockets are really nice. It's double lined and it's the same material from the outside of the bag, so it's super wipeable if you happen to spill any of your favorite snacks inside. Okay, the top part of the inside of the bag has this nice drawstring. This is really good material, super, super thick, kind of like a soft paracord type material, but it's not like the rough one where if you were to grab it, it'll give you blisters. It's just really comfortable, kind of luxurious in a way. All right, in order to open up this bag, you just have to push this little button and you're just going to slide. Also, when you bring it in, it is super easy. You could do it really fast and smooth. Can we take a moment to just appreciate the nice stitching? Yes, here's the inside of the bag, it's a little bit more of a slippery material. It just looks a little bit more shiny, but it is the same material. It's nice and double lined. Inside the bag, you can fit a lot of stuff, but let me just show you the pockets real quick, and then I'll show you what I can fit in here. There's a padded laptop sleeve, and it's attached by Velcro. This is nice and padded. I do have the BEIS laptop pouch. I'll put that in here in a little bit. Inside can fit a lot of stuff, and then on the inside you have 2 pockets right in here, and then this nice zipper right here. Let's check the zipper quality. Awesome. With the pockets inside, kind of has that scrunchy material, so then you can put some stuff in here and not worry about it just falling off. It does scrunch back a little bit. All right, it's that time to stuff this bag, and I'm gonna show you how much stuff you can fit in here. All right, this is the BEIS laptop pouch, which is awesome, by the way. Also, I just did a review video on a bunch of BEIS item accessories, and I'll put that in the video description below if you wanna take a look. All right, BEIS pouch going right in here. Nice. So you can see the laptop fits in there really nicely. Then for fun, here's the other mesh pouch trio, which is in black. I'm gonna put that in the front zipper inside the bag, and you can see that that one fits perfectly. All right, gonna zip that up. In the pockets in the front, I'm just gonna put my eye mask. I'm gonna put a little baby mesh pouch trio here. A lot of the BEIS items, they just fit perfectly, and I kind of feel like that was on purpose. I'm gonna put another cosmetic pouch in here, another cosmetic pouch in here. I'm gonna put this cosmetic pouch in here, and then I'm gonna put this one in there, and then my neck pillow. Let's just shove that all in there. There we go. So look how much stuff I just put in that bag. Just a bunch of random things. I'm gonna just close this down, cinch that down. Let's just put my tech pouch back in here and close that down. And then I have some resistance bands. I'm gonna put that on the side. Put my little tiger tail massage ball thing on the side. Also, these water bottle holders can hold so much. Let me show you a couple things that it can hold. Here is a regular water bottle that can fit in there really nice, just like that. Then you can cinch it down. But if you want to see what kind of really big water bottles it can fit in here, here's a Stanley cup. Let's just throw that in there, cinch that down. Look, that's so big, oh my gosh. But if you want to really know what it could fit in here, here's a jar of salsa, a tapatio, okay? A tapatio and some paste hot salsa. Just cinch that down. Look how awesome that is. It just looks like you're a girl carrying around some salsa. You can just fit a lot of things in this bag. It's pretty dang cool. Aha! Look at that. I just put a whole foam roll in here. Foam roll is gonna be bigger than a yoga mat. I wanted to show you how ridiculous I look. If you want to see what it looks like when you completely overstuff it, this is what it looks like. Actually, it's like not that bad, you know? This is what it looks like without carrying all that stuff, and it's actually really comfortable. My armpits don't feel like they're going to be chafing, but I normally wouldn't be running with a backpack with the tank top on. But take a look at this backpack. It's doing really, really good. Run, run, run. The armholes right here, I appreciate how big they are, but it's not like the backpack's flying everywhere. It does not have a strap right here, but that's okay. It's not like you're gonna be taking this backpack crazy backpacking or anything. This one, also because it's that slippery material, whenever it gets dirty, I'm just gonna throw the whole thing in the wash. That's what I normally do with all my other BEIS sport items. If you have to go to a potluck and you have to bring a huge bag of rice, I just wanna show you that that can also fit in here. Your backpack's gonna be heavy, but it's gonna be delicious. Can't forget about the tapatio. Ooh, that's heavy. If you wanna see other BEIS item review videos, I'm gonna put them on the screen right here.